This will be real quick also. I just wanted you to be aware of something called third angle projection and first angle projection because you might run into it. It turns out that not everybody in the world uses the same version of glass box as we do in the United States and Canada. So let's have a look at that. These are pages out of the ASMI standard, and here is ASMI explaining to you what the glass box situation is. Let me just go to this next slide because this is really the clearest, I think. In the US and Canada, we use a glass box where we put our object inside the box, and then we go outside the glass box and trace the views in our mind. This is called third angle projection. That's what we use in this country. Much of the world uses a different method called first angle projection. And let's say in Europe, I once worked for an engineer from Germany, and he used first angle projection. So if you have clients from Europe, they will be using this. And in that system, they put the object inside the flaps of the glass box and then open them out this way. My German boss explained to me that the views would be like you picked up the object and turned it 90 degrees. These two diagrams try to illustrate how the views will be different if you use the European first angle projection versus the US third angle projection, which we use. Notice the symbol here. This is an ASMI standard symbol, and this is a truncated cone with a hole through it. It's a tapered round thing with a hole through it, and in the system that we use with the glass box, here is what the front and side view would look like. Down at the bottom, in the first angle projection, in their version of the glass box, here is what the front and side angle views would look like. And you'll notice they're quite different from what we are accustomed to. Some companies put a symbol in their title block. This is the ASMI symbol for third angle projection, and they do that so that their customers and clients in other countries will know which direction we are viewing the sides of the glass box from. So here is the material from ASMI itself. This is ASMI talking about, here's how to draw these symbols. This is from the title block and sheet standard. So if you think that you might have colleagues or customers in another country, you should consider putting this symbol in your title block so that they know how to interpret your top, front, and side views. That's all.